Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 5th, 2026, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Janus International Group, a leading global manufacturer and provider of turnkey self-storage, commercial, and industrial building solutions. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Janus has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2025 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue figures to strategic initiatives and future guidance.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Janus International reported a revenue of $226.3 million for the fourth quarter of 2025, which is a slight decrease compared to the same period last year. John, can you elaborate on their profitability and earnings per share?
Certainly. Despite the 1.9% decrease in revenue, Janus managed to increase their net income to $7 million, up from $0.3 million in the previous year. Their adjusted earnings per share for the quarter came in at 11 cents, which is a 10% increase from last year. For the full year, they reported $884.2 million in revenue, reflecting an 8.3% decrease year over year.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Janus has shown some operational efficiencies this quarter. Can you tell us more about their EBITDA performance and what they're projecting for 2026?
Absolutely. Janus reported an adjusted EBIT of $37.2 million for Q4 2025, which is a 7.5% increase from the previous year, with a margin improvement to 16.4%. Looking ahead, they have set a revenue guidance for 2026 between $940 million and $980 million, and an adjusted EBITDA guidance of $165 million to $185 million, indicating a positive outlook despite the challenging market conditions.
Strategic initiatives and market position. Janus has been active in strategic initiatives. Can you discuss their recent moves and how they are positioning themselves in the market?
Janus has been focusing on expanding their market presence and product offerings. Their Nokē Smart Entry products saw a 25.5% increase in installed units, which is a testament to their innovation in facility automation. Additionally, they acquired Kiwi Construction, which aligns well with their strategic goals. They also repurchased $16 million worth of shares, reflecting confidence in their financial health, supported by a strong cash flow of $139.5 million from operations.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. There was an EPS forecast of 15 cents for the quarter. How did Janus perform against this expectation, and what does it mean for investors?
Janus reported an adjusted EPS of 11 cents, missing the forecast by 0.4 cents. This miss, albeit small, highlights the challenges they face in the current economic climate. With only one analyst covering the stock, the limited coverage might not fully capture the company's potential or challenges, which investors should consider when evaluating their positions.
CEO insights and strategic vision. What insights did CEO Ramey Jackson provide regarding Janus's strategic vision and future growth?
Ramey Jackson emphasized their focus on execution and customer service amidst macroeconomic challenges. He highlighted their strong balance sheet and cash generation capabilities, which provide a solid foundation for expanding into adjacent markets. Jackson is optimistic about their strategic priorities and believes Janus is well-positioned for growth as market conditions improve.